Hello everyone, in this video we are going to add swipe detection to our Fruit Ninja game. This will be done here in level state, and initially we are just going to detect the swipes and showing them on the console. In the next video we are going to properly show them in the screen. The strategy we are going to use is to add callbacks to the on-down and on-up events of the game input, whether it is the mouse or the player finger on the screen. So let's start by adding those two callbacks in the create method. We add the first one for on-down.add, and you call a start swipe method. Now we add the callback for the on-up event, calling the end swipe method. So now we have to implement the start swipe and end swipe methods. The first one is simple. We only need to save the start swipe point, which we can take from the pointer.x and pointer.y position. This pointer parameter is passed automatically when the on-down and on-up event is called. So the second method will actually create the swipe. So first we need to get the end of the swipe. So the end swipe point, which we will also take from the pointer position. Now we calculate its length, because we don't want to create swipes that are too short. So you calculate the length by calculating the distance between the end swipe point and the start swipe point, and we will only accept swipes that the length is greater or equal than a minimum swipe length. If this is true, we're going to create a new phaser line to represent the swipe. This line will go from start swipe, so you have to tell it the initial x and y position and the end x and y position. Finally, we are going to use the console to show the start and end points, only for this video, because then we can check if this is working. Before testing it, we have to create the minimum swipe length variable, which will be set here. Minimum swipe length. I set it for 50, but you're free to use the value you find better. So now let's test if the swipes are working correctly. Let's run the game. Let's open the console and let's start by creating a small swipe from here to here. This swipe shouldn't be created because it's too short, but now let's create a big one. And then we have the start position, which is on the beginning of the screen, and end position, which is far on the right. You can create different swipes and it should detect them. Okay, it seems it's working. So to summarize, we add two callbacks to the on-down and on-up events in order to get the start and end points of the swipe. Then we create a line with those points when the swipe is over a minimum length. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching.